Hola, buenos dias, good morning. So, we are Camino teacher, and I am happy to present to you our mini series 2. We are already in episode 4. So, if you did not watch episodes 1, 2, and 3, you can go back to the channel, like and subscribe. And this is a completely free course that gets you prepared for your Camino Spanish. It is called Repeat After Me because I make you repeat after me. All right, are you ready? So, in today's episode, we are going to learn about eating out. Key phrases you will need to eat out. Okay, on the Camino, of course, you're going to be eating out. So, let's dive right in. Okay, the first one I have for you is Tienen menú del peregrino. Okay, this is all tough to say, so let's practice. Tienen menú, menú del peregrino, peregrino. Tienen menú del peregrino. Go ahead and say it. All right, very good. So this is, do you have the Pilgrim's menu? What is a Pilgrim's menu? Okay, in a Pilgrim's menu, you will get your soup, you get a main entree, you get dessert, and your drink with it, which most of the time is going to be wine. So in addition to that, you probably want to order a bottle of water. All right, the next one is soy vegetariano. Soy vegetariano. Or female people need to say vegetariana. Soy vegetariana. All right. If you want gluten-free, you say sin gluten, por favor. Sin gluten, por favor. Okay, go ahead and say it. Sin gluten, por favor. All right, very good. The bill is la cuenta. La cuenta, por favor. La cuenta. The bill. La cuenta. Very good. And if you want to say that it was delicious, you say estaba deliciosa. Estaba deliciosa. Good job. Okay, so if you want to order off the menu, that is a carta. So if you are looking at your carta and you don't know what to order because you can't understand it, you just say, ¿qué recomienda? ¿Qué recomienda? And I will warn you that if you come through certain regions of Spain, you will not understand the menu. I had taught Spanish for years and years, and when I first came to Palencia, I couldn't understand the menu at all. The ordinary things are not on your menu. It's all weird fish parts and weird animal parts that we're not used to ordering. Okay, so you would say, ¿qué recomienda? Okay, you got this? ¿Qué recomienda? All right, the next one is, okay, everybody wants a beer. Quiero una cerveza. Quiero una cerveza. Now, in Spain, a lot of times if you want to order a tap beer, it is una caña. Una caña. So if it's not in a bottle, right? Una caña. All right, very good. If you want coffee, so my favorite is un café con leche. Un café con leche. You can add por favor if you want. Un café con leche. So when I was on my very first Camino, actually I ordered cortados. I got addicted to cortados. A cortado is a very small espresso type coffee, but you can drink like 15 of them a day because they're not really espresso. They're minute amounts of coffee in the cortados, as well as the café con leche. It has a very small amount of actual coffee, and then the rest of it is leche. Okay, it's the creamed foamed milk, right? So let's try that again. Un café con leche. Un café con leche. Now, one thing I may mention is that they have the breakfast size coffee and then they have your regular size. So if you want a large café con leche, like in a big cup, it's a very big cup, then you say de desayuno, de desayuno. You add this to your phrase, un café con leche de desayuno, okay? Breakfast size. If it's just regular, you don't have to say anything. You just say un café con leche, all right? And lastly, we have hay opciones sin carne. Hay, remember not to say H's, hay opciones sin carne, meatless options, vegetarian, in other words. All right, that's all the words. Okay, let's review our words and expressions one more time. Okay, we started with Tienen menú del peregrino. Say it one more time after me. Tienen menú del peregrino. Very good. Soy vegetariano or vegetariana. Go ahead and say it. Okay. Sin gluten, por favor. Go ahead. Very good. And if you want to ask for the bill, la cuenta, por favor. Go ahead and say it. La cuenta, por favor. Okay. And then, estaba deliciosa. Estaba deliciosa. It was delicious. All right. ¿Qué recomienda? Okay. ¿Qué recomienda? What do you recommend? All right. Quiero una cerveza or una caña. Una caña. All right. Quiero una caña. Okay. Next one. Un café con leche. Un café con leche. Okay. And how do you say the breakfast size? That's right. De desayuno. De desayuno. Okay. And the last one was hay opciones sin carne. All right. You are doing awesome, people. Okay, so this was episode 4. Repeat after me, Spanish for the Camino. And yeah, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe to them. And as I said at the beginning, you can review 1, 2, and 3 on the channel. It is in the playlist. So I recommend that you write out all of the expressions and practice them. So we have 2 episodes remaining, and then we're going to take the big test. You know, everybody has to have a test at the end of a mini series. So here we go. So I hope you'll stick with me all the way to the end of this course. All right, signing off here. This is Camino Teacher, and please like and subscribe.